Okay, let's begin for today's session. For the today's session, we are talking about some examples from a practice set 5 point practice set 1, right? So from the first chapter, so which chapter we are talking about? Linear equation in linear equation in two variables, linear equation in two variables that we are talking about, right? So what is there in a problem set 1? So problem 1, out of problem set 1, I'm going to take a few examples from the fifth question, and from the fifth, the first question is, that is 2 upon x plus 2 upon 3y will be is equals to 1 by 6, and second simultaneous equation is over there, that is 3 upon x plus 2 upon y will be is equals to 0. So now this is not a simplified form. So here variables y, variable x, they are in a denominator. So we want you to simplify that particular simultaneous equation in a simple form. So how to make it simple? So now you can consider this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. So we need to just concentrate on the equation 1 and 2. So what is over there? So equation 1 I am rewriting for you, so that can be written as 2 upon x, that I am writing again 2 upon x plus 2 upon 3y will be is equals to 1 by 6. So this can be written as, that is equals to 2 into 1 upon x, because 2 is in a numerator and x is in a denominator. So 1 upon x can be written like this, means 2 by x can be written like this, right? Plus 2 by 3 into 1 upon y will be is equals to 1 by 6, right? And what about equation second? I am writing the equation second in terms of 1 upon x and in terms of 1 upon y. So this equation I am writing again for you, that is 3 upon x plus 2 upon y will be is equals to 0. I am writing this equation in in equation this format, right? Whatever way I just wrote y and x, so same way I am writing like this. So that is equals to 3 into 1 upon x plus 2 into 1 upon y will be is equals to 0. So we have some we can say that similar terms over here. Here we have 1 upon x, here we have 1 upon y, here also we have 1 upon x, here also we have 1 upon y. Now what to do? Just we need to substitute what we wanted to substitute instead of 1 upon x, what I'll write down, that will be is equals to, I can substitute instead of 1 upon x, that is equals to m, and instead of 1 upon y I'll place n over there. So here 1 upon x I have, here also I have 1 upon x, here I have 1 upon y, here I have 1 upon y. So instead of 1 upon x I will place over here, that is equals to m. So I am writing this equation. So you can name it this equation 3 and you can name it this equation 4. So from 4 what we can say that, so 2 into, instead of 1 upon x we will write down m plus, here we have 2 by 3 into, I am talking about equation 3, that is after instead of 1 upon y, here what we can put, n will be is equals to 1 by 6, right? And in the okay, so this is nothing but we can say that little simplified form we got. So what to do? Just you can write it down, that is equals to twice m plus twice n by 3, right, will be is equals to 1 by 6. Let's simplify this equation and then we will go towards fourth equation little later. So first of all simplify this. Now what I wanted to do, I wanted to cancel this 6, I don't want this 6 over there. So what to do? Multiply above equation, multiply above equation by 6. What I just want to do, I just wanted to multiply that above equation by 6. So I'm writing that equation again, that is twice m plus twice n by 3, this side, left hand side, and we wanted to multiply 6 to that side. VB is equal to that right hand side as it is, and we are going to multiply 6 over there. So 6 into 2, that will become 12m plus 6 into that second term, that is twice n by 3, will be is equal to 6, and this 6 will get cancelled because 6 ones are 6, 6 ones are 6, 1 into 1, what will remain? 1 will remain over there, right? Now what we got over here, that is 3 ones are, again we can simplify this, 3 twos are, right? So 2 into 2, 4, and it will be remain over there. So what to do? What is remain over there? 12m plus 2 twos are 4n will be is equals to 1. You can name it equation number 5. So quite a simplified form we got from equation number 3. So 3 is get transformed, 3 is get transformed like this, right? So now let's move towards equation number 4, right? Equation number 4. So what equation 4 is over there? So 3 into instead of 1 upon x, I am going to plus m plus 2 into, instead of 1 upon y, what it would be there? That is equals to n will be is equals to 0. And this is quite simple form. You can name it equation 6. But the question is that equation 5 is over there, right? Equation 5 is over there. Here we have the coefficient of m, here it is nothing but a 12, and the coefficient of m here is a 3, and the coefficient of n here it is a 4, and coefficient of n here it is a 2. So better to make a coefficient of n to be 4 in the equation number 6. So I'm making equation instead of this 2, I'm going to convert into a 4. I just wanted to make, instead of this 2 will get converted into 4. So what to do? Just I need to multiply here by 2. So because 2 twos are, it will become 4. So what to do now? What is the, we can say that what is our next step? So that is multiply equation 6 by 2. Multiply equation 6 above equation 6 by 2, right? By 2, right? So I am writing that equation again, that is equals to thrice m plus twice n, I am just going to make it bracket, right, will be is equals to 0. Now what to do? We wanted to multiply 2 on the left hand side of that particular equation and right hand to the particular equation. So 2 3s are 6m, right, plus 2 2s are 4n will be is equals to 0. So this is your sixth equation you got. So from equation 5 and from equation 6, oh sorry, you can name it 7 because already we given 6 to this particular equation. We labeled that equation 6. So now we have from equation 5 and from equation 7, what we can observe that the coefficient of n here it is a 4, and the coefficient of NO here it is a 4. So what to do? Just subtract 7 from 5. Subtracting equation 7 from 5. So let's write the equation 5 first, right? So what is equation 5 here? Equation 5 here I am writing equation 5, that is 12m plus 4n will be is equals to 1, right? And equation 7 over there, that is equals to 6m plus 4n will be is equals to 0. So what to do? We are subtracting. So for the subtraction, what is over there? 12 minus 6, that will become 6m plus 4. And right now while subtracting, that is a step left over there, we are changing the sign. So by changing the sign, that's the reason why 12 minus 6 I took over there, that is equals to 6m. So 4 plus 4n and minus 4n, that will become 0, and 1 minus 0, that will left only 1, right? So what exactly we got the value, that is we got, that is I am writing here 6m will be is equals to 1. So m will be is equals to 1 by 6, because that 6 here it is get multiplied here, it will get divided to this side, right. So next value we got, that is for the m we got. So for n what to do, place this particular value in any equation. You can whether you can place in a equation number 5, the value of m you can place in a equation, we can say that in a 5th you can place, even you can place that particular value in this particular equation, in any equation you can put, even in a 7 also you can put. So what to do, I am just going to consider the value of I'm going to put the value of m. So put m will be is equals to 1 by 6 in equation 5, right. Equation 5 here we have okay, let me rub this for you, it doesn't look nice, right. Now so what exactly equation 5 here, that is 12m plus 4n will be is equals to 1. So place the value of m is equals to 1 by 6 over, so 12 into what is the value of m, that is equals to 1 by 6 plus 4n will be is equals to 1, right. So we got the value, right. So this is here we have, right. Now just simplify this, 6 1s are 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are, right, as it is. So this will be a 2 plus 4n will be is equals to 1. Now take a 2 to that particular side, so 4n will be is equals to 1 minus 2. So 4n will be is equals to 1 minus 2, it will become minus 1. So n we got, that is equals to minus 1 by 4. But at the initial only, at the start of the particular, we can say that at the start of that particular problem, what we have said, we have said that m is equals to something and n is equals to something. Where it is exactly, I think I place somewhere else here I place, right. So 1 upon x I place over here, that is nothing but a 1 upon x is nothing but a 1 upon x I place m, and 1 upon y is equals to n I place, right. So again we can move something like that, right. So what to do, it's our next step. Next step is, now place the value of 1 upon x will be is equals to m. Now 1 upon x will be as it is, will be is equal, m is equals to 1 by 6. So similarly, by reciprocal, by taking the reciprocal of the above term, you got the x is equals to 6, and n I place, that is equals to 1 upon y will be is equals to n. So 1 upon y will be is equals to n is nothing but minus 1 by 4. So by reciprocal, by taking reciprocal of this particular term, right. So we got that is y is equals to minus 4. So the solution of this particular equation is here, solution of this particular equation we got, that is equals to x will be is equals to 6 and y will be is equals to minus 4. So this is the solution of